The Daily Code Snippet. Following up on what we learned about the colspan and rowspan attributes, we will add CSS styling to our example so you can see the cell spans 2 rows. To do this, we have to show the borders of our table cells. To review, this is the HTML code. And since we will only be adding a few lines of CSS styling, we will add the CSS directly to the head of our HTML document. When we add CSS directly to our HTML, what is this called? In this case, we add internal CSS instead of external CSS. When adding CSS directly to our HTML, where is it placed? Internal CSS is added within a style element that is situated in the head element. Here is our example. How do we add styling to HTML elements? We identify the HTML element we are targeting in our CSS as the selector. So in this case, the table data and table header are the HTML elements we are targeting. When targeting more than one HTML element with the same style, we use a comma to separate them. What styling are we adding to our table data and table header elements? We are adding a solid border with the weight of 1 pixel in a light gray color. This is the result. When you first add borders, you will note double borders because each cell has a border. Next, we will learn how to fix this issue and add even more styling to our table. Presented by Designers Learn Code.